Welcome to this mindful relaxation practice. Today, we'll focus on releasing tension in your forehead and eyebrows to promote a sense of overall calm. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle into this space, feeling supported and at ease. Take a moment to close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Begin to tune into your breath, noticing the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. There's no need to change anything. Simply observe the breath as it flows in and out of your body. As you continue to breathe naturally, bring your attention to your forehead. Notice any sensations present in this area. You might feel tightness, warmth, or perhaps a neutral sensation. Whatever you experience, approach it with curiosity and acceptance. Now, gently furrow your brow as if you're concentrating deeply. Hold this tension for a moment, really feeling the muscles contract. Then, on your next exhale, release the tension completely. Let your forehead smooth out, becoming soft and relaxed. Notice the difference between the tensed and relaxed states. Repeat this process once more. Furrow your brow, creating tension in your forehead. Hold it for a breath, then release with your exhale. Feel the muscles melting, spreading a sense of ease across your forehead. Now, let's focus on your eyebrows. Gently raise your eyebrows as if you're surprised. Hold this for a moment, noticing the sensation of the muscles lifting. Then as you exhale, let your eyebrows settle back down, feeling the release of tension. Again, raise your eyebrows, creating a slight stretch in the forehead. Hold for a breath, then release, allowing the muscles to soften and relax completely. Notice how the skin around your eyes and temples feels as you let go. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, imagine a warm, soothing light gently spreading across your forehead. With each breath, this light becomes more vibrant, melting away any remaining tension. Picture this light as a color that represents calm and relaxation to you. Perhaps it's a soft blue, a warm golden, or a serene green. Allow this soothing light to flow over your forehead, softening any lines or creases. Feel it easing away any lingering tightness or stress. The light continues to spread, flowing over your eyebrows, temples, and the bridge of your nose. Everywhere it touches, it brings a deep sense of relaxation and peace. Now, bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. This area, sometimes called the third eye, is often a place where we hold tension without realizing it. Imagine the soothing light pooling in this spot, creating a small, warm circle of relaxation. With each breath, this circle of relaxation grows larger, spreading outward to encompass your entire forehead. As you focus on this area, you might notice subtle sensations, perhaps a slight tingling or a feeling of openness. Whatever you experience, simply observe it without judgment. Allow yourself to be present with these sensations, neither clinging to them nor pushing them away. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly. With each inhale, imagine you're drawing in fresh, revitalizing energy. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or stress from your forehead and eyebrows. Let each breath deepen your state of relaxation. Now, expand your awareness to include your entire face. Notice how the relaxation in your forehead and eyebrows influences the rest of your facial muscles. Your cheeks might feel softer, your jaw less tense. Allow this sense of ease to spread, inviting your whole face to relax and let go. As you rest in this relaxed state, become aware of the thoughts that may arise in your mind. Perhaps you notice thoughts about your day, your to-do list, or random musings. Whatever thoughts appear, simply acknowledge them without getting caught up in their content. Imagine these thoughts as clouds floating across the clear sky of your mind, passing by without leaving a trace. Return your focus to the sensation of relaxation in your forehead and eyebrows. Notice how this area feels now compared to when we began. You might experience a sense of spaciousness, lightness, or calm. Whatever you feel, allow it to be there without trying to change or judge it. Now let's take this relaxed feeling and expand it to your entire body. Imagine the soothing light that relaxed your forehead is now flowing down through your body. It moves down your neck, across your shoulders, through your arms and hands. Feel it flowing through your chest, abdomen, and back. Let it continue down through your hips, legs, and all the way to your feet. As this light flows through your body, it brings with it a deep sense of relaxation and calm. Feel your whole body becoming softer, more at ease. Any remaining tension or stress is gently released with each breath. Take a moment to enjoy this state of full-body relaxation. Notice how your breath has become slow and steady. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen as you breathe. Allow yourself to rest in this peaceful state, fully present in this moment. As we begin to bring this practice to a close, take a few more deep breaths. With each inhale, draw in a sense of renewal and clarity. With each exhale, reinforce the feeling of deep relaxation throughout your body. Slowly begin to bring some gentle movement back into your body. You might wiggle your fingers and toes, roll your shoulders, or gently turn your head from side to side. Take your time, moving slowly and mindfully. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, allowing them to adjust to the light. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Observe any changes in your body, your breath, or your state of mind. Remember, you can return to this relaxed state anytime by focusing on your forehead and eyebrows, using your breath to release tension. This practice is always available to you, whether you have a few minutes or a longer period to dedicate to relaxation. Carry this sense of calm and relaxation with you as you continue with your day. Know that you have the power to cultivate this peaceful state whenever you need it. Thank you for taking this time to practice mindful relaxation. May you carry this sense of ease and tranquility with you throughout your day.